Hello everyone, it's time for an update of your Monday evening's weather conditions, but let's start off with the satellite loop, and we can see that today there was lots of high-level cloud moving in over the southern parts of the country, and although it was quite thick, it remained warm across the area as gusty northwesterly winds pushed off the coastline. Berg winds affected the area that pushed the temperatures up as well. It was a mainly clear day up in the northern parts for Johannesburg as well as in Limpopo, and down in the southwest we have a cold front that's approaching. This front is rapidly weakening and moving quite slowly, but we're still expecting it to push in some cloud cover by this evening. Now, along with that, it's going to become quite cloudy down in the southwestern corner. There could be some overnight light rain in places. High-level cloud still moving in over the Eastern Cape, while it's going to be a clear and cool night up in the northern parts of South Africa. A look ahead to Tuesday, and there'll be light rain for the first half of the day down in the southwestern coastline as that cold front just brushes through the region. A cooler day expected over the southern parts of the country. The Berg winds no longer affecting that area. Still a little bit of high cloud moving through, and it's going to be a clear and hot day in KZN. Lots of sunshine northwards for Johannesburg, Pretoria, Polokwane, as well as in Mbombela. Now for tonight, dry weather expected for almost all of the country, but down in the far southwestern corner, there is a very low probability for some light rain or drizzle for the peninsula and slightly further inland, mainly near the mountainous regions. Our wind stream animation indicates that the Berg wind conditions will still be affecting parts of the Eastern Cape coastline overnight. That's going to keep things very warm, especially on the Wild Coast into tomorrow morning. Winds will be moderating overnight through the central parts and also becoming lighter along the western coastline. We're expecting very little in the way of wind by tomorrow afternoon around Cape Town. Speaking of Cape Town, our Metro Vision for tonight indicates that it's going to become cloudy by tonight, and we could also see some light rain much later this evening, a minimum of 14 degrees. And tomorrow will be cloudy at first with light rain. We are expecting things to clear out in the afternoon, and a maximum temperature of 18 has been forecast. The minimum temperatures for the rest of the country, and there we see the effects of those Berg winds along the Eastern Cape coastline. East London reaching a minimum temperature of 18 degrees. Cold once again for the Free State, no surprises there. Bethlehem drops down to 3, and Johannesburg, you can expect a minimum of 8. Tomorrow afternoon will be very hot in KwaZulu-Natal, 33 for Pietermaritzburg and Richards Bay. Similar temperatures into the low-veld areas. Joburg at 25, 27 for Polokwane and Pretoria, and another cool day expected down in the southwestern parts, 17 into Sutherland. A look ahead to Wednesday, and it's going to be a dry day across the country, sunny and warm for Bloemfontein at 26 degrees. And on Thursday, there'll be some cloud cover along the coastline of the country, but the sunshine continues up in the north. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of your Monday.